Good morning. It's Monday, April 17th, 2023. I'm Jared Hall with Harvest Investment Strategies. You're watching The Week Ahead, where every Monday we update our clients and network on what could be impacting financial markets during this week. Before hitting on what's happening this week, let's overview last week's market action. The S&P 500 index rose 0.8% last week, amid a strong start to Q1 bank earnings and a milder than expected U.S. consumer and producer price data. The U.S. Producer Price Index fell 0.5% last month, marking an unexpected drop as the consensus was for the index to remain unchanged in the month of March, following a flat reading for February. The PPI advanced 2.7% annually, the smallest gain since January of 2021, which is a welcome sign for people who are worried about the lingering fight of inflation. Then, on Wednesday, a separate report showed the U.S. seasonally adjusted consumer price index, another key measure of inflation, rose by 0.1% in March. This was smaller than the 0.2% increase that was expected and smaller than February's 4.4% gain. In addition, the year-over-year rate for overall CPI slowed to 5% from 6% the previous month, marking the smallest gain since May of 21. Even though we received all this positive news on inflation, the market settled only modestly higher. We believe this supports the theme that the market is decoupling away from trading around inflation numbers or even the Fed rate hike comments, and now is focused on economic growth and earnings growth from companies. At the end of cycles like what we've seen or what we've been through recently, growth can frequently be stymied. Jumping ahead to this week, we get updates on the health of the U.S. housing market, along with some regional manufacturing data before closing out the week with numbers on how the services industry is faring. This week, it's also tax deadline for 2022 filings and contributions, falling on Tuesday, April the 18th. Thanks for watching this week's video. If you enjoy these weekly market updates, we'd appreciate it if you forward these emails on to others.